Hello everyone, welcome back to 9am 7 p.m. Today, I will show you
And
how
wonder
to do the new
what
set
is
of
going on
acrylic.
inside their head.
Watching every detail, I hope will be helpful for your start. When cutting the shapes of nails, we define a reference point in the center of the nail tip. Cut carefully, always compare both sides balanced. When you are careful, that will take time initially, but will shorten the time for the next steps. No sanding required, no shaping, just a waste of time, no effect. Shaping is for final step. We'll lose the shapes when applying acrylic. Now primer on nails bed. Then apply acrylic. Apply acrylic around 9/10 of the nail's length. Waiting for a few seconds until the shiny on acrylic out. Always clean the brush and get new liquids. Pushing up acrylic close to the cuticles, then brush down. Using a half brush to pressure acrylic on both sides. To make the curve as your customer desired. More pressure, acrylic more stronger. Any nails have curved will look more natural. This style looks weird when it flat. Use brush head to clean around the cuticles. Do not let any acrylic touch into skin. Remember, we are acrylic nails tech, not a manicure tech. We're working on the nails, not on skin. Customers are pay for fake nails only. Apply acrylic carefully, will be easier and save time for next step. Will be very easy when we using e-file. Quick, no hurry, no only. Nails stay long. For sure, 100% clients will bring money back to you. Day by day, income plus tip will filling up. Acrylic doesn't on skin. Using e-file so easy. E-file weighs faster and helpful than hand file. Why we have to use too much hand file? That will took all energy and power. Hand will have problems later. Watching me using e-file with sandbit for all steps. One sandbit for one customer, that's very safety. Watch the ways I holding customer finger to running cuticles, shaping and smoothing the surface. That will faster when using e-file, save time and energy. How's the nail shape looking now? Hope you all enjoyed and successful.
How much? A few regular
40 นับ
yeah, 40
40
regular นะหอ regular
25 นับ
25 yeah. Yeah.
Now finishing step. Hand file 45 degrees out. And 180 degrees under nails. Both sides nail shape will be thin, 100% covered when colored. Hold tight customer finger at the first knuckle. Do not using much pressure when shaping. More pressure, finger moving lose energy than nails shaped. Won't be perfect. Hope you get something on my video. Enjoy life, happy and successful. Thank you. Love you all.